Hey guys! So I'm back. In fact, I'm back after a long time. I'm happy you guys are still here. Nobody left. Love you guys. So, after a long time, I'm doing a video. In fact, I did two videos and went missing. So, where was I? I'll answer that question. What was I doing? I'll answer that question. What am I planning to do with this channel? I'll answer that question. So, to answer all these questions, and why should you stay here to answer that also? I'm going to link this podcast with Dusky Diaries. So it is nearly 12:30 early morning. Wow. And we just finished the recording and I'm here right away to record this video for you guys, more like an intro video. So in this following podcast, after this clip of mine, which I will finish it fast. Okay, you what you will be hearing is a conversation with Dusky Diaries. She's an upcoming podcaster. Definitely I will put her links below. And here, rather than me just telling you, I thought it would be a difference if we could have somebody else for a conversation. And Dusky is asking me questions on my inspiration. Why did I start this YouTube channel? What am I planning further? And we are just opening up. So I hope you enjoy. It's going to be a bit long one, but regardless, grab your cup of tea or coffee or even grab a popcorn and sit and enjoy, and do let me know how you liked this podcast.
Hey,
Hey,
hi, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm doing good. So, how was your day?
It went very well.
All right, that's nice.
What about
So,
your day?
my day was good. It's like literally raining here for the past 3 days, and it's still raining. So, I'm just trying to go with the flow, having a very minimal signal of internet and the Wi-Fi, everything.
Oh, that should be tough, but it's
Yeah,
great you're
it is.
here.
Yeah, I know. Welcome to my show. I'm so happy to have you with me today.
Thank you, Desky. Even I'm happy to be in the show.
All right. So, I have just very few questions to discuss with you about your channel. And I've already told the listeners that you are a YouTuber. So, when did you start your channel?
Well, that's interesting because I just started my channel during the lockdown. That's May, June, around that time.
Okay. That is when the lockdown started where
Yes.
you are.
Yes.
Okay. So, where are you talking from?
Well, I'm connecting from Abu Dhabi. That's in the UAE.
All right. So, you stay.
Yes, I stay there.
Okay, that's good. So, why did you start this channel?
Well, that's a long story. I need some time.
Mhm.
Okay. Just prepping everyone.
Okay.
So, well, as a kid, I used to look at
Mhm.
various YouTube channels and see
Okay.
various stationery hauls, lifestyle videos, all those colorful pencils, pens. Because come on, that time I was like maybe 14, 15 years old when I got introduced to
Mhm.
YouTube. And normally
Mhm.
before an exam, I used to just log in to understand how to study, how to arrange my desk, things like that
Mhm.
of that age.
Okay.
And honestly, these videos, year after year, made me sad because I didn't have so many pencils. I used to wonder, why does somebody need like 500 pencils on their desk? Okay,
Mhm.
but still, the colors, I really liked it. It's like a trend. Okay,
Mhm.
and then this was back in 2008 I'm talking about. And
Okay.
after that, nothing changed. In fact, it got worse. We had Instagram, other social media platform. Influencer was becoming a thing, and YouTube was
Exactly.
the go-to place for everyone. Okay,
Yeah.
and of course, same like that, even I wanted to be a YouTuber. Lily Singh by then just started her YouTube channel, and all the
Mhm.
girls are following her, things like that. Okay,
Okay.
but still it was not very important for me. But what
Mhm.
made me decide I want to start this YouTube channel
Mhm.
was, in between in my career, I had an opportunity to travel.
Okay.
Okay, I met a lot of people, and that's when I got introduced to Instagram. And I
Okay.
really loved Instagram because I got to like click pics of the places I went because I was traveling in Southeast Asia.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, my photos, my outfit photos. I have a thing for dressing and clubbing outfits. So I
Okay.
started taking photos and putting it there, and suddenly I got quite a few followers. Let's say good number. Okay, for a
Okay.
1 month old Instagrammer.
Okay.
And then my Facebook was also thriving. It was picture perfect. I was getting messages, oh wow, we just love your life, how do you manage to
Mm-hmm.
travel, how do you make
Right.
this much money and all. But
Okay.
inside I was literally, I was like
Okay.
burning. I had my issues. I was not happy at all. When
Mm-hmm.
I came back to Abu Dhabi after the travel, I was looking for a career change. Though so many
Okay.
people were following, I used to get messages, but I still felt bloody alone and still
Mm-hmm.
feeling this life is fake.
Okay.
Then what I did next was drastic. I
Yeah.
deleted my Facebook.
Right.
I took all my photos out of Instagram. That's the Being
Right.
Rashmi page. And I
Right.
just took a long break. And that's where I
Okay.
got to fix myself, fix my career, things like that.
Mm-hmm.
And
Okay.
then years later, when I started looking back,
Mm-hmm.
I thought, everyone deserves to know how life is for others. Maybe basically, everyone deserves to be their authentic self,
Right.
and everyone deserves to hear an authentic story. Not
Right.
everything is perfect. And now I
Yeah.
can see in YouTube people actually scrubbing their face with Himalayan pink salt. If you scrub your face with Himalayan pink salt, you're going to be bruised for at least 14 days. That's how bad things are getting.
Yeah. True that.
And I was like, so that's just an example I gave. So I was like, that there's a space there where I can actually, it's my way of giving back to the community by portraying what I have learned in life, my
True.
thoughts, how I overcame different challenges, and that's
Mm-hmm.
how I started being Rashmi.
Yeah, but that's true. I mean, during this lockdown and because of this pandemic, one thing that is has been like hyping about right now is everybody's getting into this YouTube. Like literally everybody.
Yes, that's true.
Like
Everyone.
in one, yeah, there's like one street you already have like 10 people who are already YouTubers and they're like, yo, we are there. That is one very big breakthrough that people literally, I mean, I think everybody is taking some time right now to find themselves, to know what are their
Yes,
potential.
true, because YouTube is one of the best way of expressing yourself. When we were kids,
Mhm.
everyone wanted to be in the TV, like the Oprah
Yeah,
Winfrey
right.
show and all. Now YouTube, you
Yeah,
just need
right.
a camera and you're there. You're
Yeah,
hosting your own
right,
show.
right.
Yeah.
So videos have become a trending fashion right now, and the major cause, I would say, or I feel what everyone feels, is the pandemic and the lockdown.
True,
That has
true.
given everyone a major opening. Like, come on, all of you, come get into YouTube. It's like that, welcoming everyone.
Yeah, everybody has time. There are lots of trends going on,
Exactly.
So
Like, what
yes.
else to do? We're not allowed to go out.
Yeah, that's true. That's
Yeah.
true. So even I
So,
took my chance and I thought I would put one or two videos which are helpful for people during the pandemic.
mhm.
So that's how Being
Yeah.
Rashmi started.
Okay. So, how many videos have you made so far, and what are they about?
So honestly, I have made only two videos. Okay.
Okay.
Both are very, very pandemic specific. One
Okay.
was when people were getting laid off in masses. Okay. Here in the
Right.
UAE. I felt it's best to put a financial health video, basically, how to manage your finances, especially during the pandemic.
Right.
Because I feel that, normally when, as human beings, whenever we have a problem, a issue, The first thing we
Right.
go is go and browse how to become a millionaire, how to get rich, how to make money
Right.
online. And all
Yes.
that is right, but you're going to have hours and hours of content, which is going to be
Mm-hmm.
useful at first level. But before that, you need to calm down and know where you are. What do you have in
True.
your hand? What are your options? And my
Right.
video was about that. It was about the basics, just to help
Right.
people calm down, plan
Right.
further. So that was the first video which I gave. And the
Okay.
second video, as lockdown was continuing, people were locked up in the houses,
Right.
because what happened is the first month everybody was into fitness. After that,
Right.
everything slowed down, if you see. People
Right.
started
Yeah.
getting depressed.
True.
Mental health was a topic, but it was more like a
Yeah.
trend in social media, honestly. Okay.
Yeah.
So
True.
rather than something helpful coming out, everyone was like posting, okay, hashtag mental health, things like that. So then I
Yeah.
was like, I thought of making a video, and I made a video. Why it is important to vent out. You need to let your emotions out. It's not something
Mm-hmm.
you keep it inside you and tell that, oh my god, positive thinking, don't get angry, things like that. That's not
True.
how it should be. And there are good, positive ways of venting out and expressing yourself, like
Right.
writing, or even you can do some kickboxing. It's fine, as
Right.
long as you're not harming another human being or hurting anybody's feeling. It's fine, you deserve to vent out. So my second
Exactly.
video was on that. So these are
It
the
was
two
about that.
videos I made.
Only this too. But that is true. I mean, when people are at home, the thing is, I think I saw recently something, some content about this. I think it was like something funny where this parent is telling the teachers like to take the students, like take their children back to school. Like they're not able to handle their own kids. I
Yeah.
mean, right now, that was something funny. It was funny, but then it was really sad to see that the own parents are not able to take care of their own children.
Yeah, it's actually getting too much for parents, especially because you have this
Yeah,
online classes happening. After that, they have their
exactly.
work, and they're not able to deal. Before it was, at least 8 hours kids were not with them. Now they have to see their kids through the class. Parents get
Yeah,
very
the whole
anxious. Are their kids learning? So
true.
it's a very tough
Yeah,
time. It's sad, and it's a transformational year. I can tell you that 2020 should
yeah,
be like the transformational year, because our
exactly.
lives changed, how we
Yeah,
communicated changed. So there are lots
right.
of change.
That is there. So when I was seeing this, I was just thinking about like how come, I mean, how people are, so frustrated staying in the same house within the four walls, and they didn't know what else to do, and they just, they just showed the anger on whoever's there right in front of them.
Exactly,
Like,
you're right, Dusky. In fact, it's such sad, but domestic abuse is on the highest during lockdown
exactly.
time.
Yes, that
It's
is true.
quite sad.
So I think how to vent your video will be helpful for all those people if they can watch that and see what are the ways they can vent out their emotions.
Yes.
I think that video might help everyone, whoever is dealing with this right now.
True.
So yeah. So next thing, what happened after that? Why only 2 videos? And what did you do after that?
So why only 2 videos? I actually, honestly telling, I did shoot couple of other videos. However, I
Okay.
didn't put anything out because I took a break to concentrate on
Okay.
my exams. I was giving the PMP
Okay.
exam, and
Okay.
I was very successful in it last week.
Okay.
And that's how I am in
All
the
right.
podcast as a start.
Okay.
I thought of
Okay.
doing this. And
Okay.
just to add on, there will be one video in my channel about how to give
Okay.
PMP exam. Is it tough or not? Because many people ask.
Yeah, of course, it might help. You never know.
Yes.
Maybe people are struggling to even know what is PMP and how do we give that and what are the requirements. Instead of searching in Google, if someone else who has already dealt with it,
Yes.
it'll be much more easier for people to understand things.
Yeah, so that's something like the bonus. My channel is not about
True.
that, but I thought of just doing it because many people are asking me about it. So I'm like, okay,
Okay.
one video that.
Okay, that's good. So, what are your basically all your contents? What are they about?
Okay.
What are you covering up?
So my major content is about my thoughts, day-to-day life
Okay,
experiments. Okay. Like
okay.
I used to do 30 days challenges and all on my Instagram.
Mm-hmm.
I'll be doing a vlog on those, whenever I'm doing
Okay,
those. I read a lot. So, and if at
okay,
all I find a book review worth reviewing, okay, see, a book
okay.
worth reviewing, okay,
Right.
definitely I want to put in my channel. Okay, so
Okay,
my channel this for December at least what I'm planning is, to have some content how you can plan for 2021. Okay,
right.
how you can, all my learnings of 2020, things like that. So my
Mm-hmm.
channel is basically I want to portray myself in the most
Okay,
authentic form so people understand life is not perfect, because there are many
right.
people out there who kind
Mm-hmm.
of are very scared to even express themselves. They have
Right,
what the society thinks. If they gain weight,
right,
it's so hard for them to come in front of the video.
right,
If their accent is not right or if their English is not proper, they fear to start. So I just
right.
want to make an extremely authentic channel so that people feel,
Mm-hmm.
even there are people like me around, like that's one of us. People should feel like that. So
Yeah, right,
that's the kind of content you should expect in my channel.
right. So it's more like it's okay not to be okay.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
eh, say how John Legend says, perfect
Mm-hmm.
imperfections. That's it. You
Okay.
are perfect in all your imperfections.
Right, that's true. So we can expect the nearest next video probably on December, before the end of December.
Yeah, before the end of December, soon.
Before
Soon
that.
I have a few challenge video with my friends coming out. And
Okay,
definitely I have a lot to speak to people and a lot to catch them up on. So yes, there are
right.
some videos
Okay.
coming up.
That's nice. So who are your inspirations?
Well, definitely. My first inspiration was always Lily Singh Aga Superwoman.
Okay,
Okay. Other than that, I follow Ali Abdul. Okay.
okay,
And Ashwati Vishal. She's a UE YouTuber. I just love her
okay,
videos. Okay.
okay,
And there are some other YouTubers like what to say, like James Charles, who does a lot of makeup videos. These are the people I
right,
took inspiration. So there are many people. It's not just few. These are
right.
just names, and if I keep on mentioning names, I feel it would
Okay,
be unfair to many others. Like there are Shweta Vijay, who's so authentic. She
right,
doesn't collaborate with any brand. She only speaks the truth, and whatever brand she likes, she will speak about them. So that's the
right,
kind
right,
of authentic YouTubers I want to get inspired from and follow further. Okay, and
right.
these people are my inspiration.
Right, that's nice. So, okay, so now viewers, because there's a lot of upcoming YouTubers, and now the social media is filled with people coming up and doing even the smallest of the smallest thing. There is like a very big competition on this platform called YouTube. So, why do you think that viewers have to watch your channel? What's special about it?
Well, if you ask question that way, I don't think so. Anybody.
No, I mean, because
Yes.
they have so many other things. I
True.
mean,
True.
like, because there are too many people, it's very competitive. So people are like, even if there are struggling artists, there are struggling people who are really doing hard work and they're coming up. Still, people don't want to see them because they're already, the attention is on the top people, on the people who are already famous, the people whose name is already on the board. So they don't see the other people who might have a good content, who might say something reasonable which is useful, but still their look doesn't go there. So if you need people to come now back to you, or even like consider, okay, let's see hers, so what would you say that's there's something special about
Okay.
your channel?
So the special part about my channel. So if you're listening to this and you are a potential subscriber of mine, or
Mm-hmm.
you are already a subscriber of mine, thanks to you, okay, for
Yes, I
subscribing.
am a subscriber of your channel.
Okay, so to everyone out there who's listening, okay,
Okay.
whatever I'm posting in my YouTube channel, I can guarantee you
Mm-hmm.
100% I have tried it out, tested it out, and I am successful in it. And if I
Okay,
failed in
that's
it,
amazing.
I will also tell you that. It is authentic,
Okay,
without filter, and when I choose content from my channel, I don't go to the
right,
YouTube trending list and choose content. That's not what I do.
right.
I just put what
Okay,
is relevant for the season, what is relevant
right,
for the environment, the current situation. So that's the
right.
guarantee I can give you. And if you can actually spend a
Okay.
few minutes to see my videos, nothing like that. That's how you're appreciating my life.
Right, but it is really important. Like people portraying or saying the only good stuffs is actually becoming an old trend because everybody started doing that. But there are only very few people who are standing up and speaking about negative things and all the downfalls and all the reality that is sad.
True.
So there's only like very few people who's doing that. So I think people would, I mean, they would prefer to see something like that, something that tells them on their face that, this is not the truth and the truth is bitter.
Yes, that's true. That's true. So
All right.
that's what they can expect from my channel.
Okay, fine. So, how can anyone find you on social media platforms?
Well, it's very simple. I'm only on two social media platforms, that's Instagram and then YouTube. YouTube is mostly a content platform. I cannot call it social media still. So,
Okay.
Instagram, it's being Rashmi. YouTube also, it's being Rashmi. Very simple.
It's both under the same name, being
Yes.
Rashmi. Okay, Rashmi. So if I'm gonna tell you like, what is your quote? What would you say about yourself, or you say about your life, or you say about your YouTube, whatever it is? What is your quote for all the listeners?
I just have one sentence.
Okay,
One step
shoot.
at a time.
One step at a
That
time.
is my life's
Right.
mantra, if you see, because nothing, Rome was not
Right.
built in a day. It was one step at a time.
Right.
And each step, I want to
Right.
do it in the most perfect way and give back to the
Right.
community. So, one step at
True.
a time.
That is.
That's my quote.
That is a really nice quote. I mean, everyone should have some kind of confidence in them to do anything in their life, no matter how hard it is. But they have to do it a bit slow. I think slow and steady wins the race also makes sense to that kind of a push.
Yes, that's true.
True. That's nice. So, anyways, Rashmi, thank you so much for being on my show today. And it was so lovely to speak to you.
Thank you so much, Dusky, for inviting me. I'm really grateful for this opportunity. And you are actually premiering me. Okay, that's the word I should use. It's a premiere. Okay, so this is going to be up in my YouTube channel also. And thanks a lot for this opportunity.
Thank you so much for that, and all the best to your YouTube channel. I hope all success on whatever you do on your upcoming videos.
Thank you.
And I hope that
same to Dusky Diaries, because this is one of the authentic podcasts I can find around. So please keep doing the awesome work you're doing.
Thank you so much for your encouragement. Thank you so much for all the love. And stay amazing, be beautiful, and stay you.
Sure. Thank you, Dusky.
All right. Thank you. See ya.
See ya. If you enjoyed this podcast, go and show some love to Dusky Diaries. Her podcast is available on Spotify, Anchor FM, and many other platforms. I'll be linking it below. Moreover, this is my premiere episode, and if you enjoyed, please do show me some love. Leave your comments below what you would like to see in the upcoming episodes of Being Rashmi. Moreover, do subscribe if you are a new subscriber, and don't forget to push that bell icon, because that's when you will get notified whenever I post a new video. Now it is kind of late. It is 2 a.m. So let me go and sleep, and I hope you will enjoy. Mm, okay, I'm sleepy. I hope you will enjoy all the upcoming videos. See you soon. Bye bye. Until then, it's being Rashmi signing off. Take care. Lots of love.